Check recently watched shorts on YouTube. 2025 updated guide. Welcome to How to Mastery, your guide for easy step-by-step tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to check your recently watched shorts on YouTube. Even though shorts don't appear separately in history, there's still a simple way to find them. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android or iPhone. Step 2. Tap on the library icon at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Now tap on History. This section shows all the videos you've recently watched, including YouTube Shorts. Step 4. Scroll through your watch history. Any video with the Shorts icon, the small play symbol, or vertical format is a YouTube short you've watched recently. Step 5. Optional tip. If you want to search only for shorts in your history, go to the search bar at the top and type Shorts. It will filter videos that are likely from the Shorts feed. Step 6. Desktop option. If you're on a computer, go to youtube.com/flashhistory while logged in. You'll see all your recently watched videos, including shorts, listed in order. Step 7. Bonus tip. To make it easier in the future, you can like any shorts you enjoy. Then go to your liked videos playlist to revisit them anytime. And that's it! You've now learned how to check your recently watched shorts on YouTube quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart YouTube tutorials, only on How to Mastery.